At some point in your life, you might tell yourself, I need a new keyboard. And if you are up for it, you should buy the Keychron K2 HE. It is perfect, at least in my opinion, and this video is my attempt to convince you too. Let's begin with the unboxing. The Keychron K2 HE arrives in a sleek, minimalist package that immediately gives you the feeling it's of premium build quality. Spoiler, it is. Inside you'll find the keyboard itself, kinda obvious, a USB-C charging cable, a keycap puller for quick customizations, and occasionally an extra set of keycaps allowing use for both Windows and Mac users. There are also some additional tools for the removal of the sides, and if you want, there's a small screwdriver present, so if you want to disassemble the complete keyboard, you can. One of the standout features of the K2 HE is its compact 75% layout, similar to that of the regular Keychron K2. This design is perfect for those with limited desk space, yet it doesn't sacrifice functionality. The build quality is solid, using a smart mix of durable plastic with aluminum accents. This does not only give it a premium look, but it also feels robust in your hands. For the enthusiasts out there, you can experiment with different switches without any soldering required, letting you tailor your typing experience to exactly what you want with the switches that you want. It's a pretty well-known fact about mechanical keyboards, but this one also has it, and I kind of feel like I should mention it. Regarding this specific keyboard right here, this is the special edition one. So there's an addition of 2 wooden pieces along the 2 sides to give it a little bit more of a different and unique look than your regular mechanical keyboard. It feels a little bit more premium, like. I'm saying that myself. I really like this design, and if you're not into this, there was also a white one. But let's say you're not into this look at all with the addition of the wood. There's the regular base model one with a simple aluminum exterior shell available on Keychron's website. Let's break down some of the key features of this keyboard. This Keychron K2 HE has dual connectivity. So whether you're connecting via Bluetooth or using the wired USB-C option, the K2 HE delivers a reliable performance for both Mac and Windows systems. The Keychron K2 HE also has an impressive 4000 mAh battery, so you can enjoy extended use for both working or playing video games. I tend to last about a week and a half before having to recharge, so big thumbs up for that. This keyboard also has a fun RGB backlight on the back, so you can choose from a range of backlighting modes to set the mood. So whether you're gaming in the dark or working late at night, it's just a fun addition to this and every other Keychron keyboard. Now, one of the most exciting aspects of this keyboard is the integration of Hall effect switches. So unlike traditional mechanical switches that use physical contact, like on my base K2 here, these HE switches utilize magnetic fields to detect key presses. This design provides smoother and more consistent actuation and increase the longevity of the switches. So this is a real win for most gamers and typists who enjoy the typing experience of Hall effect switches. Typing on the Keychron K2 HE is an absolute delight. I'm not even kidding here. The keys offer a satisfying tactile response that's perfect for both fast-paced gaming and prolonged typing sessions. And thanks to its hot swap design, you can easily swap out the switches to experiment with different feels. So whether you prefer a clicky, tactile, or linear experience, you can switch it all out on this keyboard. The compact layout, the 75% layout, minimizes finger travel, so this means you have less fatigue during those marathon, work, or gaming sessions. When it comes to the physical side of this keyboard, it's really perfect.
It was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
When I made my last review, I showed a pros and cons list, and I want to do this in the future. But when it comes to cons, I can only mention 1, maybe 2 regarding this keyboard. One is what applies to all mechanical keyboards. It's that sometimes, let's say, filth and dust can collect between the keys. But you can't really avoid this, so I kind of want to ignore it. It just applies to all mechanical keyboards. The second one might be the price. If you're not into it, or if you're not really into the mechanical keyboard space, it's not really justified. It's around $130 for this keyboard, and for the special edition it was more. So that might be something that's a bit off-putting for people that want to get this keyboard. But those are the only two negatives I can say about this keyboard. So is the Keychron K2 HE the right keyboard for you? Well, if you're searching for a compact yet versatile mechanical keyboard that offers both wireless and wired capabilities, this could be a fantastic or perfect option. It strikes a fine balance between aesthetics and performance, making it favorable among myself and I think newcomers or enthusiasts in the mechanical keyboard sphere or bubble. However, if you're someone who prefers a full-size layout with a dedicated number pad, yes, okay, this one doesn't have that and you might have to look at other options. But if you're someone who can look past that, this is a absolutely perfect keyboard. I'm not kidding. If you're willing to, try this out. You don't have to buy it, but try it out or look at other reviews. But this is a really great keyboard. That's my video. That's all of it. I'm very happy with this keyboard. It's a really great keyboard. Thanks for tuning in to my review about the Keychron K2 HE. If you've got questions or if you, I hope, have tried this keyboard, please drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if this was fun or if you like this, don't forget to drop a like for this video or even subscribe. I'm trying out new things and I'm starting to enjoy the whole process. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope that you guys watch future content as well. Until next time, thank you. Bye.